It's Tuesday, Technology Tuesday. Welcome, I'm Laura Angel with Mississippi State University Extension, and I also have Joy Anderson with me today, and we are sharing with you a challenge each Tuesday in the month of August. So join us in taking a Technology Tuesday challenge each week. If you participate, send me a text to the cell phone number above or an email to desoto@ext.mstate.edu to prove that you've done it. Here's Joy Anderson with this week's challenge.
So today we want to talk about simple computer housekeeping rules. We have a publication that you can find the link to. It's 10 simple steps to keep your computer going. In this publication, it talks about several different steps that you can take to increase the speed of your computer, keeping your computer safe, how to do some very simple housekeeping actions. And on the back of the publication there is a checklist, and we would like for you to find one that is relevant to you and do one of them and send us proof that you did it. If you have problems, you can always call our office at 662-469-8480.
There are 4 Tuesdays in August, and if you do all 4 of the challenges, you will get a prize. So complete all 4, and we look forward to hearing from you.